this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I have a cute little St. Patrick's Day project to share with you. It's this little box. And look how cute. I love the little 4-leaf clover on there. And it's really super simple to do. So it opens like that, and look what I found. I found these cute little green hostess cupcakes. These are the little snowballs, and they're super cute. So when I saw that, I thought, oh, I need to make a box for that. That's just what gets my mind going when I see really cute stuff like that. So I made this little box, and this is what I'm sharing today. It's really, really cute. And the box is not hard at all, so let's get started with it. All right, for this project, you will need 2 pieces, and I'm using the Thick Whisper White for this. You can use any of the cardstock. I was going to use Lemon Lime Twist, and then I changed my mind at the last minute and just decided to go with the white. And so this is, the bottom part measures 7 1/4 by 7 1/4. Then you're going to need another piece that's 7 3/8 by 7 3/8. And then you're also going to need pieces to mat, and I'm matting it with the Fresh Florals Designer Series paper. It is in page 187 of the annual catalog. It's this right here. These are all our newest in colors, and this paper is gorgeous. Look at the other side. And I'm going to have a card tutorial to share with you tomorrow, and the card is going to coordinate with this box. So it'd be a really cute set to hand out for St. Patrick's Day. So this piece right here is 3 1/8 and 3 1/8. I think I've already said that. And then you'll need 4 pieces that are 2 by 3 1/4. I thought this paper was perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And this is the Lemon Lime Twist, of course. And then you're going to need some of the Myths and Magic glimmer paper. This paper is adorable. I love this glimmer paper. Look at it. It's got Lemon Lime Twist. It's got this it's a white, but it has kind of like a lemon lime twist and kind of a Bermuda Bay in it also. I don't know if you can pick that up. It is super pretty. It's that white, and then it's got the Bermuda Bay. Look how pretty. I have glitter everywhere because it's just gorgeous. So we're using that, and then we're also going to use our mini striped chevron lemon lime twist ribbon. And the stamp sets we're using is the Ribbon of Courage, and this is the heart I'm using to create the clover, 4-leaf clover. And then I am using the sentiment from here, and it says, I'm so lucky to call you my friend. And basically that was the only stamp set. I did have another one that had lucky in it, but I thought that was super cute for a friend gift. And then you're also going to need layering circles for this. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to do some big shot work too for this, as you can see. Alright, so let's get started scoring this. I'm going to go ahead and bring up my Simply Scored. And we are going to score this. I'm going to make sure I have the right. This is 7 3/8. So on the 7 3/8 piece, we're going to score it at 2. And then at 5 3/8. And then we're going to turn it, and we're going to score it at 2 and 5 3/8. Okay, so that's the 7 3/8 piece. Then we're going to use the 7 1/4 inch piece. We're going to score it at 2 and 5 1/4. And then we're going to turn it, and we're going to score it at 2 again and 5 1/4. All right, that is it for our scoring. Alright, so now we are going to cut these. Let me grab my scissors here. The way we're going to cut these is we are going to cut, like on this one, here's the score mark right here. see if I can get that better in here. So here's the score mark. We're going to cut like halfway out, and then we're going to cut that. This way we're creating a little flap here. We're going to do the same on this side, do it about halfway, and then cut all the way down that score mark. Okay, so this doesn't have to be perfect, just eyeball it. So there's two little flaps right there. And then we're going to do the same here and cut that. So we have another one here. And then we're going to cut that halfway and then across. So you are actually cutting this square right here in half and then cutting across. This is going to be our glue tabs right here. This is the easiest way to do this, I think. And you can see our box is forming. I like to do it this way. It's better to fold away from your score mark. Alright, so that is one. We're going to use some fast fuse or some double-sided tape, whichever you want. Make sure it's a strong adhesive. You can use Tombow if you have the time to sit and hold it for a minute. It takes it a little bit longer to dry. And then we're just going to bring these up and fold those. Just like that. So that's one side. And then this one is the 7 3/8 piece. We're going to do the same. We're going to create those flaps. So cut this square in half and then cut all the way across to that first score mark. Like I said, these don't have to be perfect. You can see they're on the inside of the box. So we're doing both boxes the exact same way. Okay, so we're going to fold these this way. Whoops. It's nice to use your bone folder too. Got stuck to my tear and tape I have sitting out here. And then we're going to flip it over and add our adhesive. You know, I always talk about how great the cardstock is. I love Stampin' Up's cardstock. It's really good quality, and I'm going to show you a reason why. Okay, look at this and see how that is already cracked and it has holes. This cardstock won't do that. I just love it, and this is really good quality. I used to use this years ago, and it's at my local craft store, and they say this is good quality. That's why I love Stampin' Up, and I got hooked on Stampin' Up, because of the cardstock. I really like the quality of it. Okay. Alright, so let's see. This should be our top, and it fits on there perfectly. Alright, so let's get our matting out, and let's mat this. We're going to mat the top piece. I'm going to just use Snell for this. Oh, am I in the camera? For a minute I thought I was not in the camera. Alright, so then we're going to mat all 4 of these. And it's pretty much going to cover the whole area. I just wanted the corners to stay white. So I made the matting fit a little bit closer. Okay, so we have it all matted and ready to go. Let's set it aside. And I'm going to get my Whisper White. And I'm going to use some Lemon Lime Twist. And the little heart from Ribbon of Courage is this one right here. And we are going to make a clover. So what I did on this stamp is I actually trimmed the excess around the edge off so I can see the shape of the heart better, so I can get closer at stamping this. Because earlier I could not see it good. Whoops. Before I trimmed it, I couldn't see it real good, so I couldn't get my clover to look good. Okay, so then I'm going to stamp in Memento Black. I'm going to stamp my sentiment. I'm so lucky to call you my friend. I'm going to stamp it right in the middle. That's super cute. I'm going to use my Stampin' Right Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm actually just going to make a little stem coming out, just to make it look like a little 4-leaf clover. Okay, so we're going to bring the big shot up here. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you which ones I'm using. I'm using the regular circle that is 3 inches. And then the one scallop is 3 1/4 inches, and then the other one is 3 1/2 inches. So those are the ones I'm using to cut all the pieces out for this. So let's grab the big shot, and we'll cut all our pieces out. So isn't that a cute 4-leaf clover? So if you have any heart, you can use those for. The little sweetheart hearts work really good too for this. So I'm using that to cut out my 4-leaf clover, the regular circle. So we have our 4-leaf clover cut out. And I love this design. To me, it just looked Irish. I don't know why. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut our glimmer. I don't know if I need another piece. I'm going to cut the largest one out of the glimmer. I'm going to see if I could cut another one out. Yeah, I can do that. We're going to do the glimmer paper, and then we're going to do a piece of Lemon Lime Twist. So we have our little glimmer, and then we need a piece of Lemon Lime Twist. Here's my piece of Lemon Lime Twist, and then we're going to run that smaller scallop through. We'll have all our pieces ready to go. Okay. So we're ready to put this all together. So let's take this, and I'm going to use some fast fuse to adhere it to the glimmer paper, because you need some stronger adhesive for it to stay attached to that glimmer paper. And then I'm going to grab my ribbon, and I'm going to take a piece I'm not sure how long I need it. I'm actually going to cut, and I'll tell you about how much that is right there. So you need a piece that's about 12 inches. You're going to fold it in half, make a little loop, and we're going to attach that to here, and make these little wings go out separate. You don't want them on top of each other. And then we're going to put some more fast fuse. And we're going to attach our little 4-leaf clover on top. And then I'm going to trim these up. Now we're going to grab some dimensionals and pop it up on our box. I have trash right here, but I never use it. Alright, so then we're going to just put that on top, pop it up, and there you have it. So look how cute. Is that not adorable? I just love this. I love the colors. And then just put one of your little snowballs. And I did see that they had some Hostess cupcakes too that had the green frosting on it. So they were super cute too. I thought they'd be really cute. But I haven't seen the snowballs in a long time. And when I saw the green, I thought they were adorable for St. Patrick's Day. So I hope you all enjoyed the project. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. And don't forget, if you like to see my videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell to get notification whenever I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.